How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something essential for anyone looking to build a website: web hosting. If you're new to this, you might be wondering, what exactly is web hosting? Web hosting is a service that allows individuals and organizations to make their websites accessible on the internet. It's the backbone of any website, providing the necessary infrastructure and support to ensure that your site can be accessed by users from all around the world. When a website is created, it's built using coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But for the website to be live and accessible on the internet, it needs to be hosted on a server connected to the web. That's where web hosting providers come into play. Now, if you're looking for reliable web hosting, I highly recommend checking out Hostinger and Bluehost. Both are top-notch providers with excellent features. Personally, I prefer Hostinger, but Bluehost is another fantastic option, especially if you're looking for dedicated hosting, which Hostinger doesn't offer. You'll find links to discounts and full reviews for both in the description below. Let's go over the different types of web hosting. 1. Shared hosting. This is the most basic and affordable option. Multiple websites share the resources of a single server, making it ideal for small businesses or personal websites with low traffic. 2. VPS hosting. A step up from shared hosting, this provides more control and dedicated resources by hosting your site on a virtual server. It's great for medium-sized businesses or websites with higher traffic. 3. Dedicated hosting. Here, your website gets its own physical server, providing maximum control and resources. It's the most expensive option and is perfect for large businesses or high-traffic websites. 4. Cloud hosting. This newer option hosts your site across a network of servers. It's scalable and flexible, making it a great choice for websites with fluctuating resource needs. 5. Specialized hosting. This includes options like e-commerce hosting, WordPress hosting, or even Minecraft server hosting, depending on the provider. Hostinger, for example, offers unique hosting solutions like agency hosting, CyberPanel hosting, and more. When choosing a hosting provider, consider your website's specific needs, including expected traffic, required resources, and your preferred level of control and support. Many providers, like Hostinger and Bluehost, offer tiered plans: basic, intermediate, and advanced, so you can select one that fits your requirements and budget. In conclusion, web hosting is a critical part of getting your website online. With so many options, it's important to weigh the features and benefits of each type of hosting and choose the one that's best for you. If you're interested, you can find links to discounts and full reviews for Hostinger and Bluehost in the description below. Both providers also come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try them risk-free. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest web hosting tips and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.